Very good afternoon, dear students. The last class discussed about the given matrix, how to find the inverse of the matrix. What is the definition of the inverse of the matrix? Means if A and capital B are the square matrix of the same order, such that capital AB is equal to BA is equal to capital I, where B is called inverse of A or A is called inverse of B. It is denoted by A into A inverse is equal to B into B inverse is equal to I. Inverse of A form is 1 divided by det A into adjoint of A. This is the inverse of the A matrix formula. So see the Roman number 6. What here asking is find the inverse of the given matrix. Find the inverse of the given matrix. First, what is the given matrix to consider? Capital A is equal. What is the inverse of A formula? 1 by modulus of A or determinant of A into adjoint of A. So we need to calculate determinant of A value. We need to calculate adjoint of A. After that, those two values substitute in the inverse of the formula. See the solution. So let us consider capital A is equal to given matrix is 3 minus 2 3 2 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 2. So first we are calculating determinant of A. So determinant of A is equal to take determinant. After the substitute the elements are 3 minus 2 3 2 1 minus 1 4 minus 3 2. So now already you know how to find the determinant of A matrix. Determinant of 3 by 3 can be the given. Top we have to consider symbols are plus, minus, plus. Now we can calculate the determinant value. First element is 3. So 3 present in the first row and the first columns are eliminated. Write as determinant of the remaining elements or else. So cross multiply with the left of the elements. So now cross multiplying 1 into 2, middle take minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus into minus of minus 3. So or else I explain one more method. So 3 into, so take determinant. So left of the elements are 1 minus 1 minus 3 2. Next symbol is minus, element is minus 2. Minus 2 present in the first row, second columns are eliminated. So determinant of left of the elements are 2 minus 1 4 2. Third symbol is plus, element is 3 plus 3. So plus 3 present in the first row and the third columns are eliminated. So determinant of left of the elements are 2 1 4 minus 3. Now determinant of square matrix, what is the formula? AD minus BC formula apply here. So now 1 into 2 minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus of minus 3 minus into minus plus 2. Here apply cross multiplication formula. 2 into 2 4 minus 4 into minus 1 minus 4 minus of minus plus 4 plus 3 into apply cross multiplication with 2 into minus 3 minus 6 minus 4 into minus 4. Now simplify this one. 3 into 2 minus 6 that value is minus 1 plus 2 into 4 plus 4 that value is 8 plus 3 into minus 6 minus 4 that value is minus 10. Now 3 into minus 1 minus 3 plus 2 into 8 that value is 16 plus into minus 3 into 10 is 30. So minus 3 minus 30 that is minus 33 plus 16. So minus 33 plus 16 the value is minus 17. So this is not equal to 0, nothing but it is a non-singular matrix. When our determinant of A not equal to 0 we getting inverse is existing. So what is the determinant of A value is minus 17. This is the determinant of A. Next we need to calculate adjoint of A. So next we need to calculate adjoint of A is equal to transpose of the matrix capital A I J. Now first element we are taking, that row and that columns are eliminated, write as determinant of the left of the elements. So left of the elements are 1, -1, -3, 2. Next to -2 we are taking the -2, first row and second columns are eliminated. So rest of the elements are 2, -1, 2, -1, 4, 2. Next 3 we are taking, 3 present in the first and third columns are eliminated. So write as determinant of the rest of the elements are 2, 1, 4, -3. So first is one. Next we are going to second row. Why you are taking each row means what is the definition of the adjointment of A means adjointment of A is nothing but transpose of the matrix capital Aij. Aij is nothing but cofactor of the element small aij. Capital Aij is equal to -1 all to the power of I plus j into Mij. Mij is nothing but minor of the element. So minor of the element is nothing but deleting ith rows and jth columns. Then the left of the element is called minor. That's why first we are carrying each every element of the minor. After that put the symbol, that element it is called a cofactor. That's why now second row we are taking, second row present in the second row first columns are eliminated. So rest of the elements are -2, 3, -3, 2. Next 1 we are taking, 1 present in the second row second columns are eliminated. So rest of the elements are 3, 3 and 4, 2. Next -1 we are taking, -1 present in the second row and third columns are eliminated. The rest of the elements are 3, -2, 4, -3. So second row is what is we are going to third row. So third row 4 present in the third row and first columns are eliminated. So rest of the elements are -2, 3, 1, -1. Next -3 we are taking, -3 present in the third row and second columns are eliminated. So rest of the elements are 3, 3, 2, -1. Next 2 we are taking, 2 present in the third row and third columns are eliminated. The rest of the elements are 3, -2, 2, 1. So now what is the formula of determinant of ABCD? Formula is AD minus BC. So that formula should apply here. So 1 into 2, after that put the symbols are plus, minus, plus, minus, plus, minus after plus, minus, plus after minus, plus. Now plus of 1 into 2, 2, minus, minus 3 into -1, plus 3, plus of minus, -3, next to minus, 2 into 2, 4, minus 4 into -1, -4, minus of minus, plus 4, plus x square bracket, 2 into -3, -x, minus 4 into 1 is -4. So transpose of the values capital Aij. Minus of -2 into 2, that value is -4, -3 into 3 is a -9, minus of minus, plus 9. Next 3 2 is 6, -4 3 is 12, minus 3 into -3, -9, minus 4 into -2, -8, minus of minus, plus 8. Next 2 into -2 into -1, that value is plus 2, minus 1 into 3, 3 only. Next minus of 3 into -1, -3, minus 2 into 3, that value is 6, plus of 3 into 1 is 3, minus 2 into -2, -4, minus of minus, plus 4. So simplify this one. 2 minus 3, -1, 4 plus 4, 8, minus into plus 8, -8, minus 6 minus 2, that value is -10, minus 4 plus 9 is a plus 5, minus 2 plus 5, that value is -5, 6 minus 12, that value is -6, minus 9 plus 8, that value is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 plus 1. 2 minus 3, that value is minus 1. Minus 3 minus 6 minus 9. Minus or minus plus 9. 3 plus 4 7. This is the transpose of the matrix. This is the adjoining of A. So what is the condition of the transpose of the matrix? Interchanging rows and columns. That's why first row interchanging first column. Second row replaced with the second column. Third row replaced with the third column. That is adjoining. This is the adjoining of A. Finally, we need to calculate inverse of the A matrix. What is inverse of A matrix formula? A inverse is equal to 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoining of A. Now, substitute the values are 1 divided by determinant of A values minus 17, minus 17. Adjoining of A matrix is minus 1, minus 5, minus 1, minus 8, minus 6, 9, minus 10, 1, 7. Now, each element multiply with 1 by minus 17. Each element multiply with 1 by minus 17. Now, minus 1 into 1 by minus 17, minus 5 into 1 by minus 17, minus 1 into 1 by minus 17, minus 8 into 1 by minus 17, minus 6 into 1 by minus 17, 9 into 1 by minus 17. So minus 10 into 1 by minus 17, to 1 into 1 by minus 17. So 7 into 1 by minus 17. Simplify this one. So minus get cancel. 1 into 1 by 17 value is 1 by 17. Minus get cancel. 5 into 1 by 17 the value is 5 by 17. Minus get cancel. So 1 into 1 by 17 value is 1 by 17. Minus get cancel. 8 into 1 by 7 value is 8 by 17. Minus get cancel. 6 into 1 by 17 is 6 by 17. So now 9 into 1 by minus 17 value is minus 9 by 17. Minus get cancel. 10 into 1 by 17 is 10 by 17. The 1 into 1 by minus 17 value is minus 1 by 17. So now 7 into minus 1 by 7 value is minus 7 by 17. This is the inverse of A matrix. So like that we need to calculate determinant of A value. So next we need to calculate adjoining of A value. After that those two values substitute in the inverse of A formula. This is the inverse of the given matrix. This is the solution of this question. Issues. I think I'm understanding this one. If I any doubt is there, please answer me. So next we are discussing question number 7. See the question number 7. Question number 7 also same like only, but templates are different. See the Roman number 7. Very easy. First we need to calculate determinant of A. Next we need to calculate adjoining of A. See the Roman number 7. The Roman number 7 question is given matrix are 0, 1, minus 1, 4, minus 3, 4, 4, minus 3, 4, and 3, minus 3, 3, minus 3. This is the given matrix. We need to calculate inverse of the matrix. See the solution. Let consider capital A is equal to 0, 1, minus 1, 4, minus 3, 4, 3, minus 3, 4. This is the given matrix considered capital A. So, inverse of A formula is 1 divided by determinant of A into adjoining of A. Don't know determinant of A value and adjoining of A value. That's why we are calculating determinant of A value. So now we are calculating determinant of A. So taking determinant of substitute elements are 0, 1, minus 1, 4, minus 3, 4, 3, minus 3, 4. So now when we have determinant of 3 by 3 matrix they given, top we have to consider the symbols are plus, negative, plus. Now plus 0 we are taking, the determinant of rest of the elements are minus 3, 4, minus 3, 4. Because of zero row and zero columns are deleting. Then the determinant of the left of the elements are minus 3 4 minus 3 4. Next second symbol is minus, element is 1 minus 1. The rest of the elements are 4 4 3 4 because of one present in the first one, second columns are eliminated. The rest of the elements are 4 4 3 4. Next plus of minus 1 plus of minus 1. So minus 1 present in the first one, third columns are eliminated. So determinant of left of the elements are 4 minus 3 3 minus 3. Now applying the cross multiplication formula is AD minus BC formula. Minus 3 into 4, that value is minus 1. Middle take symbol is negative. Minus 3 into 4 is the minus 1. Minus of minus plus 1. Minus 1 into 4 into 4 is 16. 3 4 is 12. Plus into minus 1, that is minus 1. 4 into minus 3 minus 12. Minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9. Minus of minus plus 9. Now minus 1 plus 1 get cancel. 0 and everything value is 0. Minus 1 16 minus 1, that value is 4. Minus 1 into minus 4 plus 9, that value is minus 3. Now minus 4 minus 1 into minus 3, that value is plus 3. The minus 4 plus that value is minus 1. This is the not equal to 0. So inverse is exist. Inverse is exist. Next we need to calculate adjointment of it. The next we are calculating adjointment of it. Transpose of the matrix capital A. The first we are calculating each every element of the minor. Now 0 we are taking. So 0 is present in the first one, first columns are eliminated. So rest of the elements are determinant of minus 3 4 minus 3 4. Next second element 1 you are taking. The rest of the elements are determinant of 4 4 3 4. Next minus 1 we are taking. First one, third columns are eliminated. The rest of the elements are 4 minus 3 3 minus 3. So first one is over. Now we are going to second row. So 4 present in the second one, first columns are eliminated. The rest of the elements are 1 minus 1 minus 3 4. Next minus 3 present in the second row and second columns are eliminated. The rest of the elements are 0 minus 1 3 4. Next 4 you are taking. 4 present in the second row, third columns are eliminated. The rest of the elements are 0 1 3 minus 3. Next we are going to third row. Now 3 present in the third row and first columns are eliminated. So rest of the elements are 1 minus 1 minus 3 4. Next minus 3 we are taking. Minus 3 present in the third row and second columns are eliminated. The rest of the elements are 0 0. Here minus 3 we are taking. Third row and second columns are eliminated. The rest of the elements are 0 minus 1 4 4. Next we are taking 4 present in the third row and third columns are eliminated. The rest of the elements are 0 1 4 minus 3. Now applying the cross multiplication method. So adjointment of A is equal to, put the symbol plus, negative plus. Don't forget putting the symbol because of this all the elements are nothing but minor. But we need to calculate cofactor. When you are putting symbols, that element it is called a cofactor of the every element. So plus after negative, negative plus. Minus after plus, plus after negative. Plus after negative, negative after plus. Now plus of minus 3 into 4, that value is minus 12. Minus 3 into 4 is the minus 12. Minus of minus plus 12. Minus 4 into 4 16. So 4 3 is 12. So next 4 into minus 3 minus 12. Minus 3 into minus 3 minus 9. Minus of minus plus 9. So next minus of 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 3 into minus 1 plus 3 plus of minus 3. So next 0 into 4 is a 0, minus 3 into minus 1 is minus 3. Minus of minus plus 3. So minus of 0 into anything value is 0. 3 into 1 is 3. Next plus of 1 into 4 is 4. Minus 3. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus. Plus of minus minus only. Minus of 0 into anything value is 0. 4 into minus 1 is minus 4. Minus of minus plus 4. 0 into anything value is 0. Minus, so now 4 into 1 is 4. Now simplify this one. 0, 16 minus 1 that value is 4. Minus into plus 4 that value is minus 4. Minus 12 plus 1 that value is minus 3. 4 minus 3, 1 minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1. 0 plus 2 that value is 3. Minus into minus 2 that value is plus 3. 4 minus 3, 1. Minus 4, minus 4. So now transpose of the matrix is nothing but interchanging rows and columns. That's why first row replaced with first column. That's why first row elements can be replaced with the first row. First row replaced with the first column. That's why 0, minus 4, minus 3. Second row replaced with the second column, minus 1, 3, 3. Second row, third row replaced with third column, 1, minus 4, minus 4. This is the adjointment of A. But we need to calculate inverse of A. What is inverse of A? From the 1 divided by determinant of A into adjointment of A. Now substitute the values. 1 divided by determinant of A value is minus 1. Substitute the adjointment of A matrix are 0, minus 1, 1, minus 4, 3, minus 4, minus 3, 3, minus 4. So what is the value of 1 by minus 1 value is minus 1 only. So 1 divided by minus 1 that value is minus 1 only. 0, minus 1, 1, minus 4, 3, minus 4, minus 3, 3, minus 1. Now each element product with minus 1. So A inverse is equal to 0 and everything value is 0. Minus 1 into minus 1 that value is plus 1. Minus 1 into 1 value is minus 1. Minus 1 into minus 1 that value is plus 4. Minus 1 into 3 that value is minus 3. Minus 1 into minus 1 that value is plus 4. Minus 1 into minus 1 that value is plus 3. Minus 1 into 3 that value is minus 3. So minus 1 into minus 1 that value is plus 4. This is the inverse of A matrix. So dear students, like that, first we need to calculate determinant of A values. Next we need to calculate adjointment of A. After that, both the values substitute in the inverse of A matrix. This is the solution of this question. Next to question number 8, question number 9, question number 10. Those three questions also same process only. Once we have to try the remaining questions. So left of the questions we have to discuss tomorrow class. Thank you all.